Having found the whereabouts of Sita, having met her, Hanuman decided to warn the king of Lanka, Ravana, face to face. He allowed himself to be ensnared by Ravana's warrior son Indrajit. Like an elephant in must, tied in ropes, the bravest of Vanara race, Kapishreshta Hanuman was brought into Ravana's presence. Some of the courtiers wanted him to be killed, but everybody wanted to know his identity. Writes Valmiki describing the court of Ravana. Ravana sat glorious and furious like the midday sun. With bloodshot eyes, he angrily looked at Hanuman. Hanuman said, I am a messenger of the Vanara king, Sugriv. He said to himself, it is surprising to see Ravana endowed with all the traits of a good king, but for his overpowering inclination towards adharma, he could have been the protector of Devalok along with Indra. On account of his condemnable, cruel and heartless deeds, the Devatas as well as the Asuras fear him. If angry, thought Hanuman, Ravana can immerse the entire world in an ocean or annihilate the universe. Hanuman was asked to identify himself. Tell us the truth, otherwise we shall kill you. Hanuman addressed Ravana and his courtiers. I am not a messenger from any of the gods you mentioned. I destroyed the Vatika in order to have an audience with you. I killed your soldiers only in defense because they attacked me. I am so blessed by Brahma that neither the Devatas nor the Asuras can ensnare me. No weapon can bind me, O king. No ropes hold my movement. Sugriv, the Vanar king, is your brother. He has inquired about your well-being. Lakhs of Vanaras are looking for Sita outside the confines of your city. Some of them can move with the speed of Garuda, others like the wind. Nobody can stop their movement, O king. I am Hanuman, the son of Pavana. I have crossed the 100 yojana wide ocean to reach Lanka in search of Sita and have found her confined in your custody. O wise king, you are well versed in the tenets of dharma and arth. You have garnered the fruits of tapasya over a long period. It does not behove you to detain a woman who belongs to another person. Evil deeds, O king, done in violation of dharma are fraught with serious consequences and will lead to your destruction. Wise men like you ought not to indulge in such acts. Listen to my just and fair advice and hand over Janki to her husband with dignity. I have had her darshana. I have attained what you perceived as impossible. Now Sri Rama will look after the rest, said Hanuman. Sita is drowned in a pool of sorrow. She suffers endlessly in your custody, away from her husband. You are not aware that she is like a serpent with 5 heads. She cannot be subdued by Devatas or Asuras by force. O great king, do not lay waste all the good that you have earned through tough penance. You have foregone your immortality, and Sri Ram and Sugrim are neither Devatas nor Yakshas nor Asuras. You cannot be saved. Your good deeds have been submerged by your evil deeds. Your adharma overrides your virtuous actions. Think of the annihilation of Lanka. Think of the annihilation of Rakshasas. Think of the killing of Vali. Ram can do anything. You decide, Ravana, which way lies your salvation. Hanuman declared, O king, I can destroy the entire Lanka with all its forces, horses and elephants single-handed. But that is not my mandate. Sri Ram himself will destroy those who have humiliated Sita. Think of Sita as the dark night which will destroy all of you. For you, she is Yama's noose. Do not put your head into it. Lanka, with its high mansions, its wide streets, will soon be burnt in the fire of Sri Rama's and Sita's anger. Do not push your kith and kin, your friends and ministers, sons and daughters, and all that makes them live happily into this conflagration. I am a mere messenger, said Hanuman. Sri Ram can destroy the world and recreate it anew. He is like Vishnu, master of the three worlds. Neither the self-created Brahma, nor the three-eyed Rudra, nor the majestic Indra can face him in battle. Thus continued this meeting till Hanuman got out to destroy Lanka by raising a conflagration. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.